Let's talk about Radicchio. This is a very interesting lettuce. It's got cool color. Look at that. So good. Big crunch, but it is a little bitter. Not in a bad way. On its own, it's a little intense, but that's the thing about cooking. It's all about balance, so there's some ways to highlight the bitterness and the crunch. And this salad is awesome because you can build it right in the bowl. So a nice big pile of radicchio, just fluff it up with your hands, and to balance some of the bitterness, beans. Yep, beans. These are white kidney beans, and they're really creamy. They're neutral in flavor, so you get some beans, you get some bitter lettuce. It's all about the balance. And I just sprinkle them right on top. It's so simple to dress it. You want a good, clean olive oil. Again, that's gonna help out with some of the bitterness. Just from a high, get a lot of oil on there. And balsamic vinegar is a bold, very strong vinegar. I am balsamic, and it stands up to the bitterness in the radicchio. So get some on there. One last ingredient for this simple salad, Parmesan cheese. Have you ever seen a plane coming into land? The wings are kind of crooked right before he hits the tarmac. That's what the cheese is gonna do to this salad, balance. Wings level, look at that. Full of crunch, love, care. Food doesn't have to be complicated to be delicious. And that's a perfect example. One thing left to do, my friends, go get cooking.